tired already? $30.33. 30 minutes on the treadmill, lifting weights, walking, running, jogging for 30 minutes per day, taking the tea to detox, the vitamins to feel good, and the NRG to have energy and burn calories. Challenge yourself. It's 2019. 2018, you said you was gonna lose weight, feel better, do more, feel great, think positive, start your business. Let's go, right? Let's go, right? 30-33. 3 products, 30 days, or you can make it 90 days. 3 products, 30 days, okay? 30 minutes a day. It's not hard. I'm in here now, right? It's not hard. I'm about to do an hour and a half, right? But you can start with 30 minutes a day. Remember, guys, your health is everything. My grandmother told me, if you ain't got your health, you ain't got nothing. If you ain't got no money, you ain't got nothing. Your health is everything. You want to be able to take care of your body, your heart health is everything, guys. You want to take care of your heart. Your heart health is everything, right? Heart. Gotta take care of your heart, guys. Gotta take care of your mind. So 30-33. Get your kit. Go to getmyhealthtea.com if you want to be a part of TLC. Make an extra $250 a week from home. I'm helping people make an extra $250 a week from home, just extra. Getting healthy, you want to lose weight, you want to feel good, you want to be a part of something bigger, you want to be a part of a team who's winning, you want to be a part of people who's going and rocking. 30-33, get your kit or pick a package so that you can join the team until life changes. It's amazing, guys. I didn't really start focusing on my health until I really understood how critical my health is. So getting to the gym or doing 30 minutes in your home, you even got to go to the gym. 30 minutes in your home, running around your block, going to your complex or going to your building's gym. However, guys, get it in. Your health is your wealth. It's everything. So 30-33, right, is for me. 30 minutes a day, 3 products. Taking a day to feel good, you need supplements. It's like we need food, right? We need supplements, just like we need food, every day, right? But you need the right supplements. TLC has all the natural products with the herbs that you need for your body to grow, okay? So getmyhealthtea.com, get your kit, your Get Fit kit. It's the T, the NutriBurst, and the NRG, okay? Start. Lose at least 5 pounds to 10 pounds, and then just go from there. It's a never-ending battle, guys. I'm telling you, but you got to find something and be consistent at it. You got to find something and be consistent at it. 30-33, 3 products, 30 days, 30 minutes. Not hard. Let's get to it, guys. Getmyhealthtea.com, guys. Look forward to seeing you.